Hello IG Garage family, is your car struggling with fuel delivery issues? If your check engine light is on and you're seeing code P0092, fuel pressure regulator 1 control circuit high, then your fuel system might be in trouble. In this video I'll explain what P0092 means, where the fuel pressure regulator is located, very important, and how to fix it. Stay till the end because I'll also recommend 2 must-watch videos, P0193, fuel rail pressure sensor high input, and P0089, fuel pressure regulator performance problem. Let's get started. What does P0092 mean? The P0092 trouble code means that the fuel pressure regulator's control circuit is reading a higher voltage than expected. This can lead to too much fuel pressure, which can cause engine misfires or rough running, hard starting or stalling, excessive fuel consumption, and the check engine light, CL, being on. Common causes of P0092 include a faulty fuel pressure regulator, FPR. It may be stuck closed, causing excessive pressure, wiring issues, damaged or shorted wires in the fuel pressure regulator circuit, a bad engine control module, ECM, rare but possible, and a fuel pump malfunction. If it's pushing too much pressure, the regulator can't control it properly. The fuel pressure regulator, FPR, is usually found on the fuel rail. Most cars have the fuel pressure regulator mounted on the fuel rail, which is connected to the fuel injectors inside the fuel tank. In some modern vehicles, the fuel pressure regulator is built into the fuel pump assembly, meaning you might need to drop the fuel tank to access it. Near the intake manifold, some designs place it near the intake to control fuel delivery. To locate it, follow the fuel lines from the tank to the engine bay. You'll find the regulator attached to the fuel rail or integrated into the fuel pump module. First, check the fuel pressure regulator. Disconnect the vacuum hose if it's there. If fuel leaks out, the regulator is bad. Next, use a fuel pressure gauge to see if the pressure is too high. Then inspect the wiring and connector. Look for burnt, corroded or damaged wiring leading to the regulator. Use a multimeter to check for high voltage in the circuit. Now, check the fuel pump. If the pump is pushing too much pressure, the regulator might not be the issue. If needed, replace the fuel pressure regulator. If it's stuck or faulty, replacing it should fix the problem. Finally, clear the code and take the car for a test drive. Use an OBD-II scanner to erase the code. Drive the car and see if the issue returns. And that's how you diagnose and fix P0092, fuel pressure regulator 1 control circuit high. Keeping your fuel system clean and well-maintained can prevent fuel pressure problems in the future. For more fuel system fixes, watch these 2 important videos next. P0193, fuel rail pressure sensor high input, and P0089, fuel pressure regulator performance problem. If this video helped, hit that like button, subscribe to IG Garage, and turn on notifications for more expert car repair content. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.